Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the spot color. There is an option of your camera in the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first of all, you have to slide up and go to the camera application here, and you have to slide right here and take the more, and you have a spot color option. Yep, so you can choose some object on our screen. Yep, and you can add the color if you wish. Sorry for my focus here. There's a problem with my focus. Okay, never mind. And you can of course set less color and much more color of the image. Okay, so maybe something like that. Take the photo, and as you see, our Santa is black, and all is the color on the here is up to you. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.